Imagine a future where AI hardware is faster, more efficient, and cheaper than ever before. But what exactly is the key to unlocking this potential? For the past few years, the AI community has been buzzing about a new chip architecture called Groq. But what is Groq, and why is it so significant? Groq is a revolutionary new chip architecture that's designed to accelerate AI workloads. The company behind Groq, also called Groq, has developed a proprietary chip design that's optimized for AI applications. This means that Groq chips can perform AI tasks much faster and more efficiently than traditional hardware. But that's not all. Groq chips are also designed to be more power efficient and cost-effective. So how does Groq work? At its core, Groq is a massively parallel processing architecture. This means that Groq chips contain thousands of processing units, each of which can perform AI tasks independently. This allows Groq chips to process AI workloads much faster than traditional hardware. But why is Groq so significant? The answer lies in its potential impact on the AI landscape. As AI adoption continues to grow, the need for more powerful and efficient hardware is becoming increasingly pressing. Groq chip architecture is poised to meet this need, providing a new generation of AI hardware that's faster, more efficient, and cheaper than ever before.
But what about the competition? How does Groq stack up against other AI hardware vendors? To answer this question, let's take a closer look at the competitive landscape. For years, traditional hardware vendors like NVIDIA and AMD have dominated the AI hardware market. However, Groq is now poised to disrupt this market with its revolutionary new chip architecture. Groq's competitive advantage lies in its proprietary chip design. This design is optimized for AI applications, providing a significant performance boost over traditional hardware. Additionally, Groq chips are designed to be more power efficient and cost-effective, making them an attractive option for AI developers and businesses. But what about the challenges that lie ahead? As Groq begins to penetrate the AI hardware market, it will face significant competition from established vendors. Additionally, the company will need to address concerns around scalability and reliability. However, with its strong track record of innovation and its commitment to customer satisfaction, Groq is well positioned to overcome these challenges.
Now that we've explored the world of Groq chip architecture, let's take a closer look at its potential impact on the AI landscape. As AI adoption continues to grow, the need for more powerful and efficient hardware is becoming increasingly pressing. Groq chip architecture is poised to meet this need, providing a new generation of AI hardware that's faster, more efficient, and cheaper than ever before. But what exactly does this mean for the future of AI? For one, it means that AI developers and businesses will have access to more powerful and efficient hardware. This will enable them to build more complex and sophisticated AI systems, leading to breakthroughs in fields like healthcare, finance, and transportation.
However, as with any new technology, there are also potential challenges and risks associated with Groq chip architecture. For example, the increased computational power of Groq chips could lead to new concerns around data security and bias. Additionally, the adoption of Groq chip architecture could lead to new challenges around scalability and reliability.
So what's the bottom line? Is Groq chip architecture the next big thing in AI hardware? Our answer is a resounding yes. With its revolutionary new chip design, Groq is poised to disrupt the AI hardware market and provide a new generation of AI hardware that's faster, more efficient, and cheaper than ever before.
So what are you waiting for? Join the Groq revolution today and discover a new world of AI possibilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more AI news, updates, and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode.